urgent weather message. For the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula, Cuyahoga, Erie, Geauga, Huron, Lake, Lorain, Medina, Portage and Summit, and the following marine locations: Avon Point, Conneaut. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 629, effective until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula, Cuyahoga, Erie, Geauga, Huron, Lake, Lorain, Medina, Portage and Summit, and the following marine locations: Avon Point, Conneaut. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 629 has been issued from 3:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula, Cuyahoga, Erie, Geauga, Huron, Lake, Lorain, Medina, Portage and Summit, and the following marine locations: Avon Point, Conneaut. 3:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Carroll, Columbiana, Holmes, Mahoning, Medina, Portage, Stark, Summit, Trumbull, Tuscarawas and Wayne, and Avon Point to Willowick.